How to set up web push notifications on Wix. In order to do that, just head over right here to your settings. Now, once you have done that, you can just head over and then look for the option called notification. So we have in here this notification preferences, and then it will load and you should be able to see this. So you just need to turn on your desktop notification. So this will give notification or push notifications on your web browser even when you're not visiting Wix.com. Click on this turn on option right here and it will ask if you allow notifications. So just head over and then click on the allow notification if you want to have those right here. So once you have allowed those, it will actually make this much more easier. You can head over and toggle this on right here now. Once it's been turned into blue, that means it's been turned on. So that's how you set up web push notifications on Wix. Hope you helped.